we have to study the next use of this microorganism, that is the microbes in industrial production. Microbes in industrial production. That means these microbes, they are used in industries. Microbes in industrial production. Microbes in the industrial production. So the many microorganisms, they are used in industry to produce the various products which are used for in day-to-day life for the human being. So in which one of the product is production of alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages. So all these alcoholic beverages or product are formed by alcoholic fermentation process. What happens in the production of alcoholic beverages? It includes the fermentation process occurs, and due to this fermentation process, the many alcoholic beverages like wine, beer, whiskey are produced in industry by the use of microbes. Such a alcoholic formation, alcoholic beverages are produced since from long back ago. They are produces various types of alcoholic beverages, but now we have to study the how these wines, beer and whiskey, they can be produced. They can be produced by using the microbes like yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and ellipsoides are used in industrial production for the wine. So the different kinds of wines which have the different types of flavors, they can be produced by different type of fruit juices. म्हणजे या वाईन प्रोडक्शनमध्ये आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या वाईन या पाहू शकतो, ज्याच्यामध्ये ज्याचं फ्लेवर हे वेगळं आहे, चव हे वेगळी आहे. आणि चव ही वाईनची चव ही कशावरती अवलंबून आहे? वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जे फ्रूट्स आहेत, फ्रूट ज्युसेस आहेत, वेगळ्या प्रकारच्या फ्रूट ज्युसेसनं वेगळ्या प्रकारची वाईन होईल, वेगळ्या प्रकारचा फ्लेवर त्याला निर्माण होईल. आणि म्हणून मग वाईन प्रोडक्शनसाठी या ईस्ट सारख्या मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझमचा वापर हा केला जातो. बियर प्रोडक्शन, it is alcoholic liquor which is obtained from the barley grains. That means the barley seeds, they can be used for preparation of beers. The different kinds of flavors have obtained to the beer by using the suitable strain of microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae by used for fermentation. That means the alcoholic beverages, they can be produced by fermentation process. So how they can be produced? The wine, beer and whiskey. Wine, beer and whiskey. The beer formation takes place by three methods, that is malting, mashing and fermentation. Malting, mashing and fermentation. So these are the three steps used for beer production. So first of all, the barley seeds, barley grains are taken. They are to be malting and mashing and fermentation process. They form a liquid that can be clarified, carboxylated and filled in bottles, packed and marketed. So beer and wine, they are produced without distillation. All these Both these are produced without distillation. Whereas the whiskey production takes place by same method, but the substrate like the grains of corn, wheat, barley are used as a raw material, and that can be fermented by using microorganisms. And finally the whiskey product, whiskey liquor, is produced by distillation method. By distillation method. So these alcoholic beverages, they are produced by two methods, that is a distillation and without distillation. So it is one of the industrial product which increases the economy of India, which gives more money to the India, and hence it is an important product for industrial production. There are many other products which are produced in industrial production. In industry, all these products, they are produced in a vessel called as fermenter. Generally in alcoholic as well as other products, they are produced in tubular tower fermenter. So how it is the tubular tower fermenter? So see here now. I will draw a figure of tubular tower fermenter in which many products which are used in day-to-day life of the human being, they can be produced by this tubular tower fermenter. So this one is a tubular tower fermenter. Alcoholic fermentation. Alcohol is produced by such a fermenter. So what is a fermenter? The fermenter is a vessel in which fermentation process is carried out. So all of you know the large tubular towers near the sugar factories, and that are the fermenter in which the alcohol is produced in large amount. Hence there are different types of fermenters in which the alcohol is produced, and in such a way the alcohol is produced here, and it can be formed, it can be passes out through a small tube. Alcohol production, and it can be passed. So in the alcohol formation or in fermenter, what are these? These are the yeast movement. These are the yeast movements. Movement in fermenter to produce the various type of product. So another product in production of industry is organic acid fermenter. So many organic acids are obtained by fermentation process by using the various microorganisms. So Agaricus niger is a microbes which produces the citric acid, whereas the Aspergillus niger is produced as glycolic acid. Rhizopus arrhyzus produces fumaric acid, and Azotobacter aceti produces acetic acid. Now all the students, you should know such a type of small short questions or one single mark CET and NEET questions to be asked on such a type of microbes and the product in the NEET exam CET exam or board exam. So you should follow up all the charts which are given in the book. The second production, that is the vitamins or secondary metabolites. The secondary metabolites, they may be the vitamins, antibiotics production, enzyme production. So what are the vitamins? The vitamins are the organic compounds which are required in small quantity for the healthy and maintained growth of human body. Such a vitamins, they are not directly produced in the human body, so they can be used by taking many vegetables, many type of vegetables and from the food material. They are not required in large quantity in the daily food. So in daily food we have to be take small amount of vitamins. What are the vitamins? The vitamins are the compounds which maintain the body health of the human being. Such a vitamins in the body of the human being, there are different types of vitamins, that is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, E आणि K. तर अशा प्रकारचे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे विटॅमिन्स हे आपल्या शरीरासाठी उपयुक्त असतात आणि अशा प्रकारचे हे विटॅमिन आपण डेली जेवणामध्ये या भाजीपाल्याच्या माध्यमामधनं किंवा फूडच्या माध्यमामधनं आपण घेऊ शकतो. इफ द क्वांटिटी ऑफ each type of vitamin becomes less in the human body, then it causes the symptoms, it causes the specific type of disease. That is, a vitamin A causes the night blindness, color blindness. Vitamin B causes the scurvy type of disease. Vitamin C, if there is a less amount of vitamin C, it causes the vitamin D, scurvy type of disease. Vitamin E and K, they causes the blood clotting. Blood clotting is depend on this vitamin K. So vitamin A and B, these are the fat solubles. Vitamin B and C, they are the water solubles. All these vitamins, they are produced, they are required for the human being to avoid such a type of diseases. And many vitamins, they can be obtained by using the different type of microbes. So I will show one of the example. Microbe, that is a Neurospora guazipi, produces the vitamin B12. The Pseudomonas denitrificans, that produces vitamin B12, and Aspergillus niger produces vitamin C. And these vitamins, they are responsible to control all such a type of diseases and to maintain the health of the human being. The second important product, that is antibiotic production. So what is antibiotic production? So all of you know, first of all,